Welcome to the Maldives. Welcome to the Fine Travel, your personal guide to the world's most luxurious escapes. Today, we're taking you to one of the most breathtaking destinations on Earth. A place where the ocean glows, time slows, and every moment feels like magic. This is the Maldives, a paradise made of dreams, surrounded by nothing but turquoise water and sky. A hidden gem in the Indian Ocean, the Maldives isn't just a destination. It's an experience of serenity and splendor. Made up of over 1,000 coral islands scattered across 26 atolls, it floats like a string of pearls in the Indian Ocean. From the air, it's a breathtaking sight. Vivid blues and sandy whites blending into a masterpiece of nature. These aren't just islands. They're sanctuaries of tranquility and wonder. Arriving in style, you don't just arrive in the Maldives. You make an entrance. Whether by luxury seaplane or private speedboat, your journey begins with waves and wind, guiding you into a world of barefoot luxury. The warm air, the scent of salt, and the sound of gentle waves let you know you've officially escaped. And when your resort comes into view, overwater bungalows dancing above the sea, you'll know you've arrived in style. The overwater experience. Imagine waking up to sunlight dancing on the ocean surface, visible through glass panels beneath your feet. Your villa is suspended over a turquoise lagoon, complete with a private plunge pool, a hammock swinging in the breeze, and panoramic ocean views. Here, seclusion meets sophistication. It's the kind of peace you didn't know you needed. Some spend a lifetime searching for moments like these. You've found yours. A taste of paradise in the Maldives. Even your meals become moments to remember. Enjoy breakfast served on a floating tray in your private pool. Savor fresh seafood grilled to perfection on a private sandbank at sunset. Dine under the stars with your toes in the sand and a gentle sea breeze on your face. From gourmet fusion to authentic Maldivian dishes, each bite tells a story of culture, care, and craftsmanship. Wellness, water, and wonder. There's magic in every wave here. Snorkel in a coral kingdom filled with manta rays, reef sharks, and electric blue fish. Dive deep into the Indian Ocean and uncover underwater gardens teeming with life. Then return to shore for a beachfront massage, a sunrise yoga session, or a luxurious spa ritual surrounded by nature. This is where your mind and body reconnect. Effortlessly, naturally, completely. The heart of the islands, beyond the luxury, lies culture, tradition, and connection. Visit a local island and meet artisans crafting handmade souvenirs. Watch traditional Bodubaru dance performances that echo the spirit of the people. Hop aboard a wooden dhoni and sail into the sunset, the same way Maldivians have for centuries. There's beauty in the people, their hospitality, and their passion for their island home. Sunsets and stillness. No two sunsets in the Maldives are ever the same. One evening may bring hues of tangerine and fire. The next, a watercolor of lavender and gold. Take a stroll on the sand as the sun dips below the horizon, or relax with a cocktail in hand as the sea shimmers goodnight. In these moments, the world feels still. Time feels slower. Life feels fuller. The Fine Travel promise that. The Fine Travel. We believe in turning travel into art. Through elegant visuals, immersive storytelling, and unforgettable destinations. We don't just show you where to go, we take you there. Every journey we capture is a blend of beauty, culture, and curated luxury. Because you deserve more than just a trip. You deserve an experience. Until next time, as your Maldives adventure winds down, remember this: you've just touched paradise. You've experienced magic, and there's so much more to explore. Thank you for traveling with the Fine Travel. Your next dream destination awaits.